Let's say you have a great software or a SaaS that you want to showcase, but you're not well versed with video editing apps, nor you have a device that is capable of installing such apps, or you don't want to subscribe on a monthly basis for such video editing apps. Well, you are at the right place because in this particular video, we would be speaking about a tool that helps you do this exactly, but without worrying about subscriptions and without about worrying about installing a software on your device, so you don't have to think of the video configuration or the device configuration and things like that. All that you would have to do is visit the website through your browser, upload the screenshot or a video that you have, and create a video animation of the demo that you want to. It's a great software built by an indie maker, worth checking out. And in this video, we'll go through the whole setup of that particular tool or software right from the browser. So welcome to indie.deals, and today we would be speaking about Supermotion. Hey, hi everyone. Today we would be looking at a tool that helps you record video demos without actually creating a video. You can possibly just use screenshots and create demos, walkthroughs, etc. all through your browser. You don't even have to install an app on your device. So basically it's device agnostic. The idea is that you can use this on Windows, Mac, etc. because it's not an app but something that you can visit on a website, through a website on a browser, upload a recorded video or screenshots that you have, and create demos, walkthroughs, animations, etc. So the app that we would be looking at is called Supermotion. So as you can see, this is a particular product that is built by an indie maker, where we would be getting into details of who is the indie maker, what are the benefits this particular software offers, and we'll also take a glimpse of the whole software as well through the browser. Okay, so as you can see, this is Supermotion. A very simple and straightforward purpose it is being served is turn images and clips into stunning product videos. So SaaS companies can use it. If at all you're planning to tease a particular launch, you can use it maybe to show your MVP or how your product is being built, the back end of things, of how a feature is being evolved, and a lot of other aspects. Okay, so there are three specific reasons that I would like to highlight. Easy and simple animation. You don't have to know complicated software from Adobe or something of that sort to create animations. So then, as I mentioned, a simple screen recording or a screenshot should help you or should be sufficient to create an animation video. And they're clearly offering an early launch price of $49, which is way worth it if at all you are willing to create demos, tutorials, KTs, knowledge transfers, things like that. Okay, so who is the founder behind this? It is Jim Raptus. He is known for a lot of design inspiration, who actually gets inspired from a lot of other websites and products, who frequently shares on his Twitter, or basically X. And he is one of the folks who I follow too, to get some inspiration on how to build minimalistic apps and websites. So as you can see, you can check out this particular product on indie.deals, check out the details, follow the founder, things like that. Okay, so let's get to the tool. Yeah, so the moment you're on the website, you can see this walkthrough. This is very straightforward setup. The moment you visit the website, you can look through the walkthrough even without signing up. So it kind of gives you an understanding of how the whole thing works. Okay, so let's say here it shows 8 steps, right? All that you would have to start with is upload the media, select the background, could be solid color, gradient, wallpaper, GIF, things like that. The video timeline helps you understand if at all you want to define certain keyframes and things like that. You would be able to edit those keyframes, set the end keyframe, annotate with text, stickers, confetti, and you can possibly use mockups like a browser such as Safari, Chrome, Modern Design, iPhone, things like that. If you want to showcase your website or app, and if at all you're on Pro, the watermarks would be removed. Okay, so let's get into the tool just to look through how the functionality is. Okay, so here there is a predefined template or media that is uploaded. Okay, so let me come back to this. So as you can see, as I scroll through the video editing scroll bar, you can see the animation that is happening across, right? So if you see, the angle of the video that is uploaded is changing, the perspective of the video is changing here, whereas here it is scrolling through. So these are the two different aspects that has been auto edited based on this demo video. Okay, so all that you would have to do is upload the media which you have. Okay, define the border radius and things like that, the shadow if you want, and a lot of other aspects. But let's get to the different unique features that Supermotion offers. So let me get to the templates. So as you can see here, give me a minute. I think this would be a suitable size. Okay, yeah. So as you can see here, these are the different templates it offers for the same media content that you would have uploaded. Okay, so let's say if I select this, it shows this. It is a simple, clean browser template or a mockup, and it scrolls through based on the different aspects that you have set here. So as you can see, there are zoom animations that has been set at a particular point that you can mark and zoom into that particular point of that media content. So this is as part of their latest update that got released just a couple of hours ago. Okay, so this is worth looking at. So just with a video or a photo or a screenshot, you would be able to define zoom animations if at all you want to highlight a particular feature. So as you can see, as I scroll through the video scroll bar, you can see it zooms in and zooms out, scrolls in and scrolls out. So let's look at another product video demo. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so if you see, there is a slight movement and the perspective of the media is also changing. So it gives a great look or a sophisticated demo look, right? So let's see how it changes things. Yeah, so as you can see, these numbers are something where it does certain actions or parts of a particular screenshot or video, and it shows certain actions being done, right? Let's see what other demos we have. Apple Mini animation. I think this is one of Mac Mini animations where it zooms in, zooms out. So interesting one. May not be suitable for SaaS, but definitely worth taking a look. One more. It's a demo of Supermotion itself, which is interesting, like an Inception. But as you can see, it scrolls down a bit, changing the perspective of the media. And this is the next one. Yeah, so it zooms to a particular point where you're showing a particular action, could be a cursor or a typing action, and it moves to a different part of the media where it shows a different action altogether again. Very thoughtfully implemented feature, I would say, which doesn't require a software to be installed on your device. So like I mentioned, you can use it on any browser for that matter, right? And there are other mobile or desktop templates. So let's take a look at a hero section template. This is one of the most frequently used template that I generally use to tease my launches, because it gradually zooms into the landing page of the product that I'm building, just adding certain animation. Okay, this is a rotating screenshot, very similar to that. So as you can see, you have ample of animations and features that can help you create videos or demos. It could be a short one, a 10-second one, or a 30-second one, but still it actually helps you grab the visual attention from your audience, right? So similarly, if at all you have a mobile app, this is something that possibly would help you, because it shows a way to highlight the feature through text and scrolls down to the particular spot on the mobile app and zooms out completely to show the whole app, right? And you can also show certain milestones. This also helps when you're building your audience on Twitter, right? So it's just a quick slide up animation of the tweet in this scenario. Or let's say you want to highlight your product and milestone with some kind of GIF. Or let's say you reached a follower count, so a follower milestone here. And let's say if you want to annotate a particular part on an image or a screenshot, you can do that as well. So these are the different kinds of templates that is offered here. So all that you would have to do is just upload the media. You can, like I mentioned, you can change the gradient that it is convenient for you based on your brand. Okay, and you can edit these also. So these are the certain aspects which I kind of like very much in Jim Raptor's products. The reason is simple. It takes no friction, no noise approach when he executes. It is so nice to look at of this minimalistic UI, right? So that's the whole idea. So let's say I go ahead with this. And yeah, so you can upload a watermark or just define a text that can be visible at bottom, right, center, left, etc. if you want to kind of watermark your videos that you create through Supermotion. And that happens only if at all you're on a pro plan. Okay, so there are other settings, could be 15, 20, up to 25 seconds is where it offers. You can select the aspect ratio of the video content itself. So let's say I go to vertical, so this is how it looks. But the usual one which I use is social media, because it's easily shareable on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, or any other platform, including YouTube for that matter. You can select the FPS also. I mean, you would have to get into the details, but I would say just explore with the defaults. And yeah, coming back to the mockups, as you can see, there are different mockups which you can choose from. Okay, and the last one is the keyframes, that again, as you explore or mark or act, if you want to act on a particular spot of a video, you can define the keyframes. So this is how the whole thing is. So let's say, yeah, so this is what I was referring to, that the update which was released a couple of hours ago. You can define the zoom animation by selecting or marking it one after the other. So as you can see here in this demo, this particular spot is marked as 1. So I think it zooms into the CTA here, right? So that's how the whole thing works here. So definitely worth checking out, and I would say getting it at its early adopter indie deal price is something that you can invest in without thinking of any subscriptions that usual video editing software offers, right? So if at all you are someone who builds a lot of tools, this definitely helps you stand out by visually highlighting your products, features, releases, milestones, etc. Check it out and let me know what you think. And make sure you go ahead and visit indie.deals as well to read out the top 3 reasons on why you should consider Supermotion and get the deal through indie.deals. Bye bye.